Hi, I am Nitin More. I was a student of Aegis School of Data Science from Feb 2020 to 2021 batch. I had joined the full-time postgraduate program in Data Science, Business Analytics and Big Data. After completion of my postgraduate program from Aegis School of Data Science, I had worked with BMC, the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, as a health data manager, and currently I am working with IKS Health as team manager for business intelligence.
Nitin, what led you to choose a career for data science?
So as we know that data is the new oil, and everything, each industry, each organization is having ample of amount of data, and for their future predictions or decision making, data is very important. So for my future career growth, I thought that data science and analytics is a good field to upskill and to excel in my career. So I chose data science and analytics as my career option.
Nitin, you said that you are a business analytical intelligence as a role with IKS Health. So how you use your data skills in your day-to-day job?
So at IKS Health, as it's a US healthcare-based organization, there is a lot of healthcare-related data, and there as a business intelligence analyst, I am supporting the leadership in decision making with the data available, like mining the data, cleaning it, and visualizing it in a manner which will be easy for the leadership to understand and take any strategic level decision.
Can you share some of the projects that you're currently working on?
Right now we are mainly working on the inventory analysis and the trend, how it has been in the past years and how it can increase or decrease in the coming months.
Any career mantra or any advice that you would like to give to the aspiring candidates or students who think to take up data science as a career?
So my piece of suggestion or advice to uh, any youngsters trying to opt for the data analytics field will be to keep learning and never stop learning, because if you stop learning, you will be somewhere you will be getting outdated and you might lag behind in your career. So you have to keep on learning.
Thank you so much, Nitin. It was lovely talking to you and I wish you good luck.
Thank you.